Why, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. You might be wondering, hey, this music's different. Why did you change the music? I got the study with me tag on. I feel like it's like morally correct. Like I'm not super wrong. Hey Maddie, how's it going? Also, hello everybody. How are you? Been a minute. Wasn't here yesterday. Back now. Cannot be stopped. We're gonna make some games today. I'm in the mood to make some games today. Had a pretty good day. You've had pets? Alright, cool. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, you might be wondering, why is the music different? Why have you changed this? It's because I've done nothing but watch Deep Dip 2 for like a long time. I cannot stop watching this dumb, stupid thing. I love this so much. This is Bren. He's very good at this. I'm not going to stream this stream for too long because I don't have permission to stream it, but you should go watch Bren play Deep Dip 2 because it's great. And headpads. Okay, all right, I'll take mine. Notice that the latest follower text is not centered. It looks weird. No, you're right. No, that's correct. Yeah, it does. It does look weird. It does look weird. In the other screen, it's also not technically correct on this one either, but we live with our mistakes here. It's okay. It's okay. But anyways, since I've been watching nothing but Deep Dip 2, Bren's been playing this playlist and like it's kind of putting me in the mood to just full focus and get some stuff done. Yeah. Where we left off, by the way, we have one purple tile in the top left of the screen. Isn't that crazy? We're never gonna get the spreading working. I'm not doing a checklist. I'm not doing game design documents for anything today. I'm just schmixing. I'm just moving forward. I have no plan for this game jam. I am just going to do things. Can I distract you? You can try. Sounds like the music a disco would use before the people arrive. It's definitely, we're preparing for the next DJ music. But I was listening to it to study today and like, it kind of just works. Kind of just works. I don't know what to tell you. Kind of just works. Makes my brain wiggly in a good way. So yeah, this is the next DJ's preparing. Please listen to our weird like looping track for you. What's the name for the game jam this time? Void. You can't tell by our incredibly good Void game. This is the Void up in the top left corner. It's spreading, just not yet because it doesn't have any AI or anything, but we're gonna make it spread today. Very excited for the spread today. And you guys ever have code come to you in a dream? You ever dream about what your code should be? Go find music to study / game jam too? Oh yeah, oh yeah. You ever dream solutions to problems? That's what I did. I had a dream about coding this last night. The whole game. I had a dream about how the whole game works, and now I know how the whole game works. I will simply recreate my dream, and the game will be done. Booyah, Grandma. Hey. Hey. Hey, welcome in. I hope you're doing well. And, more importantly, congratulations on your 100th stream. That's right. I was lurking in your stream earlier. Did I type a message? No. I'm a bad viewer. I'm bad at that. Hey, Ben Sifty Cat, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I can't remember my dreams, so I do everything when I'm awake. I'm jealous right now. It's not often that it happens, but when it does, it feels literally magic. He told us he lied. He told us he lied about that. You should feel wronged? What? You lied to me? How dare you? Only my 100th when I started counting. No, that's a mood. Can I show you something, Booyah Grandma? Can I show you a funny thing? Let me look up my Twitch stats. Stats Sky Great. So I started streaming on January the 10th. This is not correct. Twitch stats Sky Gray TV. Nope, that's my Twitch page. Nope. Okay, I'll go to the website if you make me. I will. Bleh. Phony? It gets worse. Watch this. Watch. Sky Gray TV. Not TB. That's Sky Gray with tuberculosis. And that's not good. We don't want to watch that guy. Well, we want to give him our support, but we don't want to watch him. You wrote states? I'm a kind of live and let live kind of person, you know? Let's look at when I started streaming. If we look at this handy graph, you'll see that I started on January the 13th. What? I thought it was the 10th. Huh. Well, if you look at this graph closely, you'll notice that I started streaming on January the 13th. And if anyone writes a different number, they're a liar. This must be bug. I don't remember this. I don't think these are real streams. I don't understand why these boxes are purple, and it's confusing me and making me angry. If I hover over them, sometimes it says I played Osu. What the fuck is Osu? I've never even heard of that before. What? Huh? Eh? So I agree with you. Did like 10 to 15 without counting? I did like 4 years without counting. Yeah. Let me see what my first stream actually was. The 25th of July 2017. So 7 years of an imposter on my account. I've seen you play Osu? I don't think that that's true. Did someone have that name before you? Yes, my evil twin. I missed the 2017 Skygray. I do too. 2017 Skygray was cool. Well, okay. Let me take it back. They were fine. 2019 Skygray was going through it, all right? 2019 Skygray just moved across the country to Texas and had no friends and thought streaming was a good thing to do. As opposed to leaving my house, I figured, what if I stayed in my house every day and streamed video games? And as it turns out, that doesn't put you in a better mood. It actually does the opposite. It puts you in a worse mood. I know. Don't worry, I did the science. I ran the numbers. So now you have that. You have that in your head. Hydrate. You got it. I got you. I do miss streaming OC though. Yeah, I played Persona and League of Legends. And I'll be honest. The Persona 4 VOD, it's actually a fucking banger. This is my best Let's Play in the entire world. It has my face in it, so I won't show it on stream, but like, I'll give it up. My Persona 4 gameplay, ask Sheep Muffles. They were there. They know. They're like a pro DDR player now. Good. I'm happy for them. It was a good Let's Play. Then I played like RimWorld, and that's when the edge started to peel off. You know what I'm saying? The RimWorld Skygray streams were a brief look into the human psyche of someone living on nothing but like cereal and old memories. That was like an MIT experiment to see how long a human could last doing those under those conditions, and it wasn't long. Ow. And then I did, what is this? Science and technology. This was actually my first game dev stream. You'll never see it. It's sealed into the void because I'm gonna be honest with you. Something terrible happened on this stream. So I was coding in C++. I was trying to fix someone else's plugin for RimWorld. And it was in C++. And for my job, I used Python. And the thing about when you use Python is if you change a file in Python, it's just that way now, right? C++ you have to compile. Python you do not. Something terrible, aka C++, it gets worse. So if you're using C++, what you have to do is compile it, and then the compiled version will be the updated version of whatever you're working on, right? I forgot to do this and spent like 4 hours trying to get something to work, never recompiling the code. And I was getting so frustrated. I was like, I don't understand. I changed it. Like I put the breakpoint in the code and I changed it so that it'll always catch this error, and it's still throwing the error. It's like nothing has changed at all. I'm so frustrated. So I messaged the person who made the mod. I was like, hey, I found the line where it breaks, but even when I try to change it, it doesn't change. I'm so confused. Do you know if there's another thing? And do you know what they said? You know what they said to me? They said, thank you for finding where it happens. And I don't know why it didn't change when you changed it. It should have changed. And then they changed it and they go, it worked for me when I changed it. Can you submit like a more detailed bug report about exactly what happens when you change it? And I'm like, yeah, I'd love to do that for you. So I did. I like documented everything out, how I changed it, how it was running on my computer, my system specs, all of this stuff. And he looked at it and he goes, it really should have worked. That's really confusing. I'm going to make a ticket for us to investigate this. And I realized my mistake like 3 days later, and I never messaged him back, and I think that ticket's probably still open. And we're never going to talk about it. I'm actually legally not allowed to go back to RimWorld, and if I do, I'll be so shameful that the game will explode. It's true. Compile your C++ code, kids. It's really important. If Wangi, you asked me to check Discord, I will now check Discord. I'm sorry. I've been ignoring you for so long. Open in browser. Oh my dear God. 1. And this is the most important thing I'll ever say in my life. This guy's ears is bigger than his face, which is exactly how it should be. This is perfect. And he has a latte, which, well, I don't know why I'm saying I have a latte and an amazing scarf and this symbol that I don't know what this symbol is. It's just on my hoodie. Fucking incredible. I love this. Can I steal this? Can I use this? Can I have this? Can I have it? Can I put it on Twitter? Can I make it my profile picture? If Wengi, can I put it on a t-shirt? Can I put it on a building? I haven't done Canon Sky for a while. There. It's beautiful. It's incredible. You make me so happy. In my darkest hour of Wengi, you're the light in, wait, that doesn't work. That's not how those analogies mix. You're the light at the end of the tunnel. No, that doesn't make sense. That's just a word. Hang on. Okay, let me cook. Let me think for a second. You are... Oh, I thought of one that's really bad, but I'll give it to you. This goes out to all of my friends who have had really bad depression before. You're how you feel after you take a shower. Have you ever had like a depression shower and you take a depression shower, you know how you feel after? That's you. It's a good thing for those of you that are maybe out of it. If you've ever been so depressed you like can't get out of bed and you literally are like, it's not that I want to die, I just don't want to be here as a person anymore. I don't feel anything. Nothing I do is enjoyable, and I just want to pop out of existence for like 3 weeks, and then maybe I'll be ready to come back. And you get out of bed and you take a shower, and all of a sudden your brain goes, now wait a minute. maybe we'll give this thing a shot. That's what you are. That's that feeling you get there. I don't know if maybe like 3 people relate to that, but if you do, that's what you are. Riz is unbelievable. It's unbelievable in like the non-ironic sense where it's just like, I don't believe you. Just see what the fuck you're talking about? If you know, you know. Okay? If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say. Need more skies on buildings? How much does it cost to put an image on the Las Vegas sphere? I mean, if we're gonna, okay. So listen. Listen. It's gonna be a bit of a stretch. You made a Super Bowl spot for that sphere? Wait, what? Are you serious? Okay. Yeah, Grandma. I need details on exactly what you mean by that. You made a Super Bowl spot for the sphere. What is it? Oh, you mean you made this? All right. First of all, you're cool as fuck. What are you talking about? You made this. You can't just come in here and say things like that. You put an image on the sphere? You made a thing for the sphere? You made that? Okay. First of all, I want you to know you're the coolest person in the entire world. But second, and more importantly, do you have like connections still from this? Hypothetically, I might want to put something on the sphere, and like this isn't doable, but maybe we could negotiate like a per minute or per second rate. You know, maybe I could. How much for $5? Can I get like 30 milliseconds? Like just enough to take a picture. Just the Scotch tree. Where do you think you are? Hey, Aeroax. Wait a sec. Wait. Aeroax. You're not streaming. I thought you were still streaming. I was gonna be like, how the hell did you even do that? What we can do is take that footage, retract whatever you want, and post it to social media as a fake. Oh, I like that. All right, anyone who just read that, you didn't read that. We're gonna put me on the sphere, baby. Hey, Kevin, how's it going? Sorry, I don't have YouTube chat working still. I'd say that I tried to fix it, but I don't want to lie to you. So we do our concept art anyways. Fake it in. Dude, that's so cool. What? AeroX, do you want to show you what I have for our game so far? Yeah, create, sure. This is our game, you ready? Okay. Before I show you the game, let me show you the premise of the game. So this is for the game jam. The theme is void. Void, right? So our game is about fighting the void. It's coming in from the corners, from random spots on the map, and you have your headquarters, and you're gonna mine minerals, build buildings, build turrets to defend your building, like RTS style, right? Super fun. It's super cool. Okay. That's the premise of the thing. You're fighting against the void. And if the void levels up, it spreads all over the map. It levels up and starts to shoot back at your buildings, right? It's this tug of war between you and the buildings, right? Very intense. Okay. Okay, brace yourself for the game. So, do you see it? There is a purple square. It's right there. You can see the square. It's right there. You can see the purple? It's ready to ship. I mean, it's everything I've described and more. Isn't that crazy? They're never gonna make the purple spread a little bit. I was expecting it to be posted by the Sphere and Verizon, but wasn't 100% sure. Yeah, wait, this is like actual like the Verizon account. Damn, that's sick. Damn, that's sick. It's weird to me how like uncanny this looks, you know? Like, because normally with screens you can kind of see the edge wobble a little bit, right? You can see it with this one, right? So like there's certain things that like jump out while you're watching this, but damn, that's smooth, right? Damn, that's smooth. You can see it, like one of the obvious ones is here because there's no actual dimensions in the sphere, right? So you can like see on edges. There's not like an actual like side part to the helmet. But if you like the first time I watched it, that's just damn. Where I saw someone posting about a GoFundMe or something to get house from one of the Fallout games on that thing. I'd pitch in for that. Being sped up 2x so it's extra smooth. Oh, I see. It's look real nice. And then we get to like the Instagram. Where even the hell are we right now? I don't know. All right, well, there's some amazing fan art. Thank you again so much, Ipwengi. You're the best. And you successfully distracted me. Ever gonna get me with the top left problem? Seen it too many times. Yeah, no, Aeroax is, you're the master of the top left corner. I'll give it to you. I found it. Austin from Shoddycast mentioned it on YouTube. Huh. Submit this and say the concept is devoid of gameplay. Ooh. I like that idea. Hey, let's get this thing to spread around the map, huh? So, void tile, you need a timer, my guy. Add a child note, it's going to be the timer. The timer is going to be 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds, the void, every 3 seconds, the void can spread. Have you had stream dinner time? Thank you so much for the raid, Blue Eye Grandma. I hope you have a delicious dinner, and congratulations on 100 official streams. Official counted streams. I'm so excited for your game. Let me shout you out before you actually go. Let's shout. It's not how you do it still. / shout out. Booyah, Grandma. Fellow Japan resident, very, very incredibly talented game dev, very entertaining, and is making a really cool game. Go follow them, or I'll be mad at you. Well, not mad, but disappointed. Heyo, okay, all right. Hey, Void Tile, do your thing, move over. Make more of yourself, you know? That's why we're all here. He said, being Ace. Long time no see, Mr. Catboy. Why, hello, Sans. How are you? Welcome in. Hi. Setter Live, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. And Rosam, thank you for the sub. You did it while I was offline, which... Here's the thing, Rosam, if you're here or lurking, it was a Prime sub. That's not like... Because some of you sub and you're when I'm offline and it's like the auto renew thing kicked in, and I'm like, okay, I understand that. This is a Prime sub. You came to me when I wasn't here. Trying to be stealthy? Trying to get away from me shouting you out? Process. Okay, so on here we need to connect signals here. This is not the Sprite 2D. This is the Void... I'll just call it the Sprite timer. This will be update timer? Yes, the update timer. Trying to learn buffer so I can render stuff with that random lib I found. Computer graphics are hard. That is correct. I was trying to use shaders yesterday. No, Saturday. And boy, was that just not it. That didn't work so well. Nah, that wasn't so good. Create new folder. This is going to be scripts. We're going to go ahead and put main in there. And void tile. Why did I name void tile like this? That's not you. Is it your name? No, it's not your name because your class. No. Class name void tile extends node 2D. There we go. This needs. Wait, this is a scene. Get out of here. Dude, you don't code in Godot for like 3 days and you just lose it all. I swear. I swear. It's crazy. This is a void tile. Void tile.gd. Okay. Is that how you name scripts in Godot? I'm actually losing my mind. One moment. Let me go to Lava Lamp real quick. Let me go to the front end. I just want to see. Scripts. Well, there's enemy character GD all undercase and character manager GD all uppercase. It's fine. Don't worry about it. I'm not playing usual game for about 3 weeks now. I missed so many streams. I mean, I also took some time off, so no worries. And actually, after this game dev stint, I am not taking time off, but we're gonna switch to Town Voltex because I need to grind that game real bad right now. I only have until September, I think. Maybe a little bit more. October, I think. Possibly November. I don't know when the draft list comes out, but I want to make the draft list for BPL. So we'll see. I also have interviews coming up, and so I might take some time on stream to do like some data science projects, just some like sandboxy stuff, so I can remember how to use EMR and accidentally link my Amazon key so that people can like start mining Bitcoin on my EC2 instances, because I'd really appreciate that. I think that'd be like a fun thing for you guys to do. Okay, void tile here. Connect to the timer. So on ready, we need the var update timer. Timer equals update timer, like that. Hey, Panagiotis, how's it going? On the ready, we're going to connect to the timer here. So update timer dot timeout dot connect. This is going to be update tile. We're not going to use process for the updates because there's going to be like a fucking billion tiles. And I don't want them to all update literally every frame because that would maybe slow the game down. I mean, Minecraft does it similarly. Oh, they do, what is it, 20 MSPT? 20 MSPT is default in Minecraft, so it's 20 per second. Ours is going to be every 3 seconds so that it runs in your browser, because otherwise it'll explode. Grind OC Bros, the perfect adrenaline rush. Bonus effect makes you learn how to square in 10 languages. That's how I feel about Trackmania. I've learned so many random French words from Trackmania. Isn't that crazy? That being said, I think my days of OSU are over. Take a look at this. Highest rank 729. That's actually wrong by a little bit. Polypal still being made. Right on, dude. But yeah, I think I'm good on OSU. I think I've grinded enough. I think I've grinded enough OS. It's time for Voltex to take over. What is this? Classic? What does classic mean? What is a classic score? Does it mean it's just like a billion years old or what? What is this? All my scores are classic. It's because I'm classic. What? Recent play, 24 hours? Oh, this is replays watched. People still watch my replays? Who? Dude, who's watching my replays in March of 2024? I had number 1 on a couple things for a while here. Then I fell off, I guess. Was pixel art made by me? They are not. If you go to the Twitch, you can see the artist that made the pixel art. They're very talented. I have them linked. I just never remember their name. Yeah. Lots of. They just changed how scores calculator. Pre-laser scores are all marked as classic. Classic being a mod and OSU laser. Oh, I see. I would need to recalc all my scores. I'm almost 5 digits again. I haven't been 5 digits in like 12 years or something. That's crazy, dude. But look, what is his name? Pom Pom? The Star Rail guy. I love this little man. He's great. He's like if Cinnamon Roll was a conductor. Update tile. This is going to roll to increase its own level. So roll to increase self level. Spread level to surrounding tiles. Head path. Okay. Thank you. This needs a coordinate. Hey, Hamano. How's it going? Welcome in. This needs a coordinate, so we also need to have the children references. Down here, we're going to have state variables? State properties? No, this is state variables. State variables. This is going to be var coordinates. This is vector 2. There we go. Yep. Roll to increase self level. YouTube chat's still broken. I mean, you can chat on YouTube, it just won't show up on the stream. That's all. I don't know how to get it through Streamlabs, to be honest. Or sorry, Stream Elements. I use Stream Elements, and I'm not sure how to get it to, like, get the thing there. My friend invited me here. If he's still here, that is. Here for moral support. Hey, I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Can't talk with the YouTubers? I know, I'm sorry. Sorry. I wish you could. Maybe one day the technology will get us there, but currently, it's impossible. I don't know how I want this to work yet, so I'm gonna... Who did it? Almost said Streamlabs. I meant to say Stream Elements. I use Stream Elements. Sorry. YouTube chat broke. It never worked in the first place. Yeah, no, it just didn't. I don't know how to get it on Stream Elements. I don't know how to connect through YouTube. That one is for YouTube chat. All right, Viridian, but you're on thin ice there, guy. Roll to increase level. Yeah, that's what you mean. Yeah, I just haven't done it yet. Which one will increase level? Spread to surrounding tiles. Spread to surround. How do you spell surrounding? Surrounding. Surrounding. How do you spell that? I need a Firefox tab. I don't have one. Surrounding. Is it like that? Surrounding. There we go. Viridian also hit me up with the spelling. Appreciate you. You're the best. Spread to surrounding tiles. There we go. So this also has an intrinsic level. Spread to surrounding tiles like this. Pass. Can you give me a rundown on what game he's cooking? In just a moment. You're gonna have var level. This will equal 1 when you start out. Every time you're updated, you can roll to increase your own level of like how void your tile is, and also spread to the surrounding tiles. When you spread to the surrounding tiles, if the tile doesn't have anything there, it goes to level 1. If it already is level 1, you can increase it by 1 if your level tile is higher than the tile next to you. So if you're level 4 void, you can make the level 1 void tile next to you go to level 2. So void tiles individual weak, but void tiles together strong. Okay, remember that. Remember, it's important. Roll to increase level. This will get like harder as you level up. Right now, it'll just be a random roll, but yeah, what's up, guys? Who's thinking about game design again? Hey, Oddly. Welcome in. I hope you're well. Thank you for all your advice through the day. I really appreciate you. Hey, Rock as well. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Roll to increase level. Spread to surrounding tiles. So, what were you thinking of the thing that I thinged? It's pretty good. Rock made music. Reminds me of the Game of Life. It's similar, yeah. It's like a similar, like, I was thinking of how grass spreads in Minecraft, to be honest. All right, roll to increase level. For now, I'm just gonna say level plus equals 1, or level up. Say level up. Level up, like this. This is gonna be a public function, so I can call it from other things. Fuck. What? I read the chat. I didn't mean to say that. Got songs on my mind? Hell yeah. Doing void music? Oh yeah. Kind of like what I'm listening to right now. Fast for now. This is gonna say level plus equals 1. For the sprite, hello charge, tell me your videos on Discord. If I can get to it, I will. No promises, but I appreciate you. Fuck level up, yo Sam. Level plus equals 1. I want to update the sprite too. Increase level. Update sprite. But for now, because we're in debug mode, add child node text, rich text. Welcome to the team, rich text label. Where the hell do you think you're going, huh? Does this need a control? Nah, because we're not going to use the text forever. Go to that. Go to that. Perfect. This is going to have a number in it. My God, you are huge. Did anyone ever tell you that? Wow. We need to set project settings. We need to set the font to Thalia. I would love to use Versati's font. At some point we could get to it, but for now, fonts, theme, custom font. Load that shit. We're gonna go grab Thalia like we do for everything. We're gonna go to Lava Lamp. We're gonna go to front end, go to project, assets, fonts, grab it. Grab this, make a new assets, go to here, Open a file manager. Yep. New folder. Gonna be fonts. Throw it in there. Thalia. Fonts. Thalia. That's the thing now. Close. And we need to save the Godot and reopen it. That's my Steam profile. Oops. Hey, there's a Steam sale. It's now available if you want it. Reopen Godot. That's good focus music. Focus music. Hello, welcome back to the game. BB code enabled. This is gonna say font size equals 1. I don't know. I don't see anything. Centered. Oh, it's doing the funny thing again, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Font size should equal 16 because that's the smallest version of the font. 32. Do you have a game on Steam? I do not at the moment. How do you do this again? You set the this thing to be bigger. How do you do it? I don't remember. Because it's really blurry. I remember this being a problem for last time as well. 32. 64. Why is it so blurry? 128? Bro, it's so blurry. I don't understand. It has to be like a divisor of the font, right? Weird. Would you break that? No, this is a common thing with fonts where you have to get some amount of I think that works. Let me try spelling centered correctly, shall we? Centered. What? What the fuck? Hang on. What? Hang on. Font size. Theme overrides font size. Sure, we'll do it this way, I guess. Normal font. This isn't even a permanent part of the game. Get over yourself. Why are you doing this to me? That's fine. Isn't it center? Isn't that what I did? There we go. Now if I shrink this down. Oop. Honestly, that works fine. Cool. Updates. Font. Remove. Remove later. Which text label use pains me. Don't worry, it's not going to be in the final thing. No worries. No worries. I won't leave it there. There. Text. Bug. Debug text. We can just debug. What? You think someone would leave debug things in a game jam game? How dare you? How dare you? Just honestly, no respect for the game. Or me. Think about it. We're gonna go here. We're gonna say string. We're gonna make the BB tag for us. So it's gonna be center plus level. Roll to increase level. We'll just always say it goes to level up. So now we should see this in 3 seconds. Go from a 1. Wait for it. It's not. Update timer. Oh, you're not on auto start. That's crazy. All right. Let's try again. It's a 1. And now it's a 2. The game is finished. Thank you all for being here. I'm gonna spend 2 months learning GD so I can make a game that which builds itself. Like a stream game, but people in chat literally make the game. Crowdsourcing your code. I like that. It should spread slower as the level gets up, as the level goes up. So like, I'm thinking levels 1 through 4 are just really good at spreading. Levels 5 through 6, or maybe 5 through 7, are like the ones that will defend themselves, but not necessarily like leave their designed area. And then like 7 through 10 is when it starts actively shooting at your towers and stuff. But I mean the code itself, I meant like make your own adventure kind of thing. There it is. I know there is a setting for fonts that lets you dynamic size them with and not randomly crushing. It's just an import setting. I don't even know what import means, to be honest. Never even heard of the word. And I refuse to look it up. You can go here. Wait, it's in. It works for now. Like I said, I'm not keeping it permanent, but it's good to know that you can do that. You can path, choose what goes where and what exists or not. That seems interesting, but maybe very hard to code. But I wish you the best, Sans. I'd play that game. Never seen the tab next to scene either. There's nothing even here. There's nothing even here, Aerox. It's empty. It's crazy. Why would I go there? There's nothing in there. We're gonna convert to a scene. Yep. Assets. New folder. Gonna be scenes. And this will be void tile, TSN. Sweet. For future elephant, it's called multi-channel SDFs. Okay, I think we messed with that last time and it didn't actually fix it. I remember messing with that. We messed with the import settings for a while. I think some fonts are just particularly crunchable, and I think Thalia is just like a particularly crunchy one. Because so long as we set the font size to be a power of the like size of the base of the font, like the RTF file, it was okay. But I remember messing with the import settings and it didn't fix it. But last time I said that and you were here and then I messed with it one more time, it just fixed it. That it has with non-rich text labels. How else do you display text? Isn't that the only way? And you not? How else would you display it? All right, so this is the enemy tile manager. We're gonna attach a script for this. This guy, I know, right? The worst. Scripts goes here. Gonna be class name. Enemy man. No. It's not enemy. Tile void. Void tile manager. It's gonna read. Void tile manager. What font are you using? Thalia. Thalia fat. As always. Last name void tile manager extends. On ready, I want to spawn in a void tile, so we need the scene refs. So on ready, void tile scene equals load. Scenes here. Copy path. Put that in there. There we go. Now we have this var. Whatever. Get over yourself. Thalia. Sorry, Thalia. It's linked in my description as well if you want to use it. Dot instantiate. That's on me. No, you're good, dude. There's a lot of stuff down there. I legitimately don't take offense when that happens. Like, yeah, pivot when you program something, but you don't know how. Dude, I watch so much Northern Lion now. My brain is just going towards the POV. POV, you're streaming and you have nothing to say, so you just say POV and then come up with like a new joke. Yeah, we're Balatro guys. I think this just works now. If I delete this, it'll give me a tile at 0, 0. No, where's my tile? Is it above that? No, it's nowhere. That's crazy. Oh, I need to add child. Var new tile equals. Okay. Add child. Oh. Now it'll be right there. Perfect. Okay. We have that now. That's how we go through these things, how we add more of these tiles onto the map. When we add a tile, we need to set the position of the tile. We need to say, hey, tile, you live here now, and then also update the map where that tile is. So the map has the void map. We're going to say function add new tile, tile location, and it will say, wait, how is this going to work? Who has the authority on this thing? I don't think it's actually you. I don't think map. You're just the map. You just tell me where things live. This has the actual state variables. This actually has the map. That makes more sense to me. Void map. Okay, so when this, we need the initial tiles. So we're going to have some resource for levels that will give us the initial tiles. So for level 1, for now, we're just going to set this thing to be at 0, 0 on the map. So this is void map of map coordinates that correspond to this map here. So maybe the map should have. No, I think this is still okay. I think this is still okay to do it like this. Yeah, no, this is fine. So this will be spawn in initial tiles. Maybe we should have a function for this actually. Spawn in initial level tiles. Yep, we should do it like this. We know exactly why we're doing this. And then in this case, we'll go like this. And maybe we even create a list here. So properties are level initial spawn map, or level 2 initial spawn, 2 initial spawns equals a map like this. And we're going to say level 1 is going to be at 0, 0. There we go. This should be vector 2. 0, 0 like this. There we go. If you want to. What you mean? What do you mean? Okay, so we're gonna do this. So, and then we're gonna say spawn an initial level tiles with the argument of 1. We're gonna say for initial tile positions in level to initial spawns level. So now it'll spawn one at each of the individual tiles. We'll say var new tile equals this thing. We'll say map map dot get tile location initial tile position. Initial tile position. This one will give us 0, 0, so it should return 0, 0 as the actual like position of where this tile should live. Map dot get tile location initial tile position, and then we'll say new tile. We could say new tile dot set position. Say position equals map dot get tile location initial tile position. Add new tile. There we go. This doesn't have a reference yet, so we're gonna make the reference for the map. So on ready, we're gonna say var map equals. Do we need to percent this? Yes, we do. Map. I'm gonna go ahead and rename. Nope, not rename, but access this unique name to the map. Shit. We can't do it like this. This does have to live in the map because the map needs to know where the tiles are and also where the player stuff is. So this void map will not actually be here. This will actually be on the map. That way the map has both locations filled. Yep, that makes sense. Guy, I need advice. How should I write my package documentation, use some tools to take the JS doc from all my things, or write my own stuff and build a website? You're gonna hate my answer on this, but it really just depends on what you're writing the documentation for. If like you're just gonna take it all and throw it on some random website like an S3 bucket or something, then you can probably use an automated tool. If not, and you need more specifics, then you might have to make it yourself. But I lean towards the automated route because you don't have to like do as much. If you already have a bunch of stuff written as your documentation, then I would just do it that way. But it'll skyrocket if you watch it. Wait, if I watch what? Benediotis, if you sent a link, YouTube doesn't allow links in the chat, so it probably got smoted. Sorry. I think I see your issue with that font. Yeah, the SDFs don't quite get it. They round it out. It's not blurry, but it's not pure pixels. Exactly. Yeah, it doesn't like. It like does like anti-aliasing. It's not like it's crunchy. It's just like blurry because it's trying to like. I don't actually know exactly. So okay, so we're gonna say map, not get tile location, but we're gonna say map dot place void tile, or attempt to place void tile. What if I go to place a tile and there's already something there? Should the map handle that logic? You can search it up. I still don't know what you're talking about, Benediotis. Unless the SDF scale is massive, then it weirdly makes the font bigger. Yeah, I remember messing with it. I just never got it to click. How do I want the flow of this to work? Let me think about this. Tile says, hey, I'm updating. And says, hey, hey map, give me the tile that exists to my left. So I want to get tile. If that doesn't exist, so if exists, plus level. If it doesn't exist, so get tile no exist, then I want to say place a new tile. So this is actually on the map. Does it make sense to have the map be authoritative over the tiles then? I can have the map have all of the tiles and the map also have all of the player buildings? Does that make more sense? The grid map has this? And then for the initial spawns, the map just says place initial tiles. Place init tiles. And then this is how the flow of this thing works. And then when I go to place, there's also a third option here, which is invalid tile. Invalid. Or I guess if something exists and it's a void tile, if exists and is tile, then level it up. If something exists and it's not a tile, you're not allowed to place things on like the player buildings. You'll just have to wait until you grow past it. In this instance, then, it makes more sense for the map to be authoritative over the tiles. So the map will have this function to spawn the initial tiles. The map will place it on itself, so this won't have split responsibility. Now, do I need a nested node in the map to handle the void tiles together? And I think that I should. It makes more sense to split it up. Otherwise, all of it will have mixed children. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to add a child node. I'm going to call it node 2D. This is going to be void tiles. Actually, and I guess in that case, we just do this. We just do this. There you go. Done. Pretty sure the game just runs as normal now, yeah? No, it doesn't quite. Because this doesn't quite work. This can still spawn the initial tiles. Because now it'll add child to itself. Yeah, that makes sense. And it just says get parent.place tile. Get parent.get tile, then get parent place tile. The initial spawns happens first, so it doesn't need to check. So it should just be able to say get parent dot. Actually, can I do this? Okay, I'm pretty sure that this works. I'm pretty sure that this works. The new tile equals this thing instantiate. Then we're gonna say map.place void tile new tile dot initial tile position. I should set the tile position on the new tile first. So new tile dot position tile position grid position map position equals initial tile position. I'm gonna say new tile dot map position like this. This will add it onto the map. So the map needs to have this thing. So the map's gonna have this, and I need a new function here. Position. It's gonna be, no, it can't be position. Tile position. That's gonna be a vector 2. That, and I'm gonna say void map dot or void map tile position equals new tile. This also should have the tile, so it's going to be place void tile new tile position like this. So in this function call, we pass a reference to itself. So this is also the new tile map position. Okay, that should work. It does not. Valid assignment of property of key map position with value type vector 2 on base of type node 2D void tile. Oh, it doesn't have map position. Right. Need to open the scene here. You. Guess what you have now? Oops. Var map. Oh, I labeled it as coordinates. Coordinates actually makes more sense. Yeah, let's call it coordinates. Coordinates like that. And then in here, we'll say coordinates like that. So this should be initial tile coordinates because we're not using position. Coordinates like that. You're mad at me here. Okay, calm down. Everybody calm down. It's the number 1. And in 3 seconds, it changes to the number 2. Perfect. There you go. Cool. Okay, we now have the initial tile spawns done. So if I add another one here, I can get myself a second tile. Don't need to worry about that right now. Next, in the void tile, we want to spread to surrounding tiles. So this will take your own coordinates and you say, hey map, if there is a tile next to me that isn't a void tile, make it a void tile. If I'm level 2. If you're level 1, you can't spread yourself. Although I guess you can roll to increase your level first. So this actually, right now, always works. But I'm going to say, if level greater than equal to 2, then I'm allowed to spread. So I'm going to say, check each cardinal direction. Far cardinal directions equals... what is this? Vector 2. Sorry, Sans, let me check this thing. What is this? That looks with the automated tool. Yeah, I think it looks really nice. Yeah, just use this. It already makes like the webpage for you. Perfect. I'd read this. I'd read this docs. Yeah, I think that's great. Vector 2, so it's gonna be -1, and vector 2, right? So we're here. So this is +1, 0. Oops, nope, sorry. This is +1, 0. +1, 0. This is +0, 1. Right, 0, 1. This is -1, 0. This is 0, -1. We actually only do the 4 cardinal directions. I'm not going to do diagonals. So this is actually going to be 1, 0. 1, 0. Then we're going to have -1. And we'll do 0, 1. Go around in a circle. Vector 2. This should actually be vector 2i. It's slightly faster. Then we're going to have -1, 0. And then we'll do vector 2i minus, oops, 0, -1. So vector 2i, vector 2i. Okay, these are our cardinal directions. We're going to say, or direction in cardinal directions. And actually, we should do it this way. Vector 2i dot right. We should do this instead. It actually makes. We have right, up. Just in case just for some reason, if these go weird. Vector 2 up, right, up, left. Oops. Left. I would love to check out your fan game, but I, as a general rule of thumb, don't open or run stuff on stream anymore, because we had a little bit of an incident with something like that. So if you want to post it in the Discord, we can check it out for sure, but I'm not going to open anything on stream. Just in case. Not that I don't trust you, it's that I don't trust literally all of you. That's the problem. It's not any individual lack of trust, it's the macro trust that I don't have. Right, up, left, down, fork direction in cardinal directions. We're gonna say check, so var check position equal, yeah, links scare me now, as they should. They should scare you. We're gonna take our coordinates plus direction. So now we have the check position, check coordinates. Now we're going to attempt to get the tile next to this thing. So we're gonna say attempt to get tile at checked coordinates. We're gonna say get tile check coordinates. Get tile. So var tile equals get tile. If actually the thing is, I can't just use this because there are 3 cases. It's not necessarily true that if there isn't a tile here, then we get to add our thing. We're gonna say var tile here if tile is void tile. If tile is void tile. So actually we're gonna weirdly, no, because we don't actually know what this thing is yet. Var tile equals get tile. If tile is void tile, then we are allowed to move forward. If it's anything else, so if it returns nothing, if there's no, well, shit. This still doesn't work because if it's, oh god, it needs to be nothing and also not something. We could do get tile doesn't actually get the tile. We could say check tile or get tile class, maybe, because we can't just say, okay, well, we can say if not tile. So if there's literally nothing there, if there's nothing there, we can spread to new tile, check coordinates. Else, if tile is void tile, then we can check can level up new tile, level up tile, tile. Yep, cool. Get tile. To do get tile, we need to do the following thing. Function get tile. We're gonna say get parent dot get tile tile coordinates, check coordinates, tile coordinates. This we're gonna return it, so we're just gonna return get parent get tile, spread to new tile function, spread to new tile. We're gonna say get parent dot add new void tile, create void tile, create void tile coordinates. This should be tile coordinates. Get parent, create new void tile. Otherwise we have this level up tile, which we're not going to implement yet. Function level up tile. We need the tile pass. We're not gonna do that yet. This will say check if tile level is higher than is lower. That masterclass when? Probably never. I don't think I'm good enough for that. Would you play my games? You would not play my games on stream. My heart just shattered. Let's try Shinichi. Shinichi makes some sick games though. Go follow Shinichi. Shout out. Shinichi Psycho. I spelled your name wrong. There we go. I have to go sorry in advance if I just disappeared. No worries. No worries. We're in like focus mode today. We're cooking today, so it's all good. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Even a little bit. And after this, I'm gonna go watch Bren play Trackmania. So this is the best day ever. Play the free ones. There's a lot of free games in the Discord for sure. Check if tile level is lower than this tile. So if tile dot level is lower than level, then we're gonna say tile dot level up. There you go. Instead of infecting, we're going to speed up your leveling up. There you go. If your level is lower than ours, strictly lower than ours, then there you go. There you go. Okay. Cool. Now we need to implement two things in the parent. We need the get tile method. We're gonna have the get tile function get tile pass, and then we're gonna have the other function, which is going to be the place void tile. Nope. Void tile. Create void tile. Tile coordinate. Function create void tile. Yes. And this also needs tile coordinates. There you go. And I work on my practical exam and it sucks. That really made my day. Hey, I'm sorry you're working on your exam. That sounds awful, but I'm glad I could give you a little bit of joy. Best of luck on your exam, my dude. That sounds miserable. I hate exams. Create void tile coordinates. This will do the exact things that happen here. So this will say var new tile equals void tile seen instantiate. New tile coordinates equals thing. So we can actually just, you ready for this? Boop. Put it here. Put it here, dude. Guess what? Now we get everything. Tile coordinates. This is going to be this instead. And we're going to do this. Create void tile. We're going to say initial coordinate. And get tile will simply return a tile at wherever the hell we are. We're going to say map.get tile coordinates. Now I know what you're about to say. Couldn't we, this is just a pass-through function. Couldn't we just put this on the void tile itself? Of course we could, but then we have to pass the reference to every single tile. You don't want to do that, do you? You don't think about these things before you say them. You got to stop and listen. Listen to yourself say what you're saying right now. You sound crazy. I won't stand for it. I know you're better than that. Okay, so then we can go here. Does this exist yet? How much code do you usually copy and paste from previous games? Almost literally none. But I know how to do it from other games, and like that gives me the ability to just recode it. Because usually it's like slightly different, but not never. I do occasionally for some things, like player movement. Fucking yoink that shit every time, dude. What is this called? Function get tile? What is your name? Get tile coordinates? That's your name? Who named you that? Function get tile coordinates? I named you that? I'm so sorry. Void map tile coordinates. Return. We also need this in the other one. Down here, we need to return. Cool. Ship the game. Don't crash. Crash in 3 seconds. Look at that. It's crazy. Found options vector 2 and vector 2 ion operator plus. Oh. Vector 2 I. That actually does make more sense for you to be that way. Which means this needs to be vector 2 I. Cool. Cool. Ship it. Let's turn the timer down so we can debug faster too. Void tile. Hello. Your timer is now 1 second. Congratulations. You spread so much faster. Ooh. Got access to property or key 10 on based object of type dictionary. We need this to do has key. On the map. First, check if coordinates are valid. Oh, fuck. We need a different way to break out of this if this is a valid spot. Maybe we literally return the string empty. And if the tile is empty and a valid tile, we're allowed to do things. Yeah. How about that? How about we do that? Okay. Let's see. We're gonna say var map boundary equals vector 2i. What even is it though? It's gotta be huge. How big is you? What is this? 74? Okay, 74 by what? 74 by 49? 74 by 49? 74 by 49? I'm gonna forget it. 74 by 49. Oh. If tile coordinates dot x is less than or equal to less than 0, or tile coordinates. How do you like Godot? I love Godot. I used to be a Unity lover. I used to code all of my games in Unity, and I've completely switched over to Godot. And I don't think I will go back. I think it's my favorite game engine I've ever worked in. I mostly work with 2D games, and so I think it's really good for that specifically. And now that Brackeys is here, like, why would I leave? I have the GOAT on my side. Tile coordinates y or y or y. We can't just return. If we return, then the game will think that this is a valid tile. So you know what we're gonna do? And thoughts? You know what the hilarious part is? This will actually work now because the game will check that it's not nothing, and this is not nothing. This is a string. Boop. You have to dive into Godot. Really excited to do so soon. Looks great. Definitely a little weird. Have to see Brackeys return from a well-deserved break for sure. I wish that we all worked better in a way such that we didn't all get completely burned out and then come back and everyone's like, "Oh my god, I'm so glad you're back," but you really needed that break. I wish we had a way to work that was like, you just keep putting out content consistently in a way that seems normal and healthy, but I've never met that person and I never will. It's fine. Else. Wait, nope. So if this return, if that returns, so we don't need an else because we're already there. If void, this shouldn't be void map. This should just be map. Yeah, just be map because it's the everything map. Everything's there. If map.has key tile coordinates, then I return it. Else, I don't return anything. Else I return nothing. Now it should be okay. 1. Non-exit function has key. Then why did you let me type it, huh? Why did you think that that was an okay thing to do then? This isn't my fault. And what are you then, huh? It's has? Really? You couldn't just let me have that one? Okay. Okay, I'll make you happy. Are you happy? Coordinates not defined. You know what? I take it all back. Godot's the worst language ever. It's the worst game engine I've ever seen in my life. I hate it and you should never use it. Tried GameMaker 2 though. Started working at GameMaker. I'm not quite sure if I had to switch to Godot. We're not updating the tile position. Why is the game lagging? Why is the game crashing? I think we may have a loop somewhere. Game? 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 Huh. Just go ahead and exit out of that. Yeah. No, get me out. Uh-oh. Yeah, this kind of gets explodey real quick, no? We need to, when we set the tile, give its new position. And also, why did that explode so quickly? I mean, that thing like broke. New tile, new tile coordinates, map.place void tile. New tile dot position equals map dot get position or tile coordinates. Yeah, we need this function. Get position. Function get position. Now we can cheat with this. We can just say return map to local. This actually works because everything's at 0, 0. Map to local. What? Oh, fuck off. This doesn't work. It's not get position, it's get local, get global position, get position from coordinates. Yeah, I think. Get position from coordinates? Does that work? Yeah. Oh. Okay, well, okay. All right, listen. A couple things. One, the game already crashed. Two, kind of worked for a second there. There's a big problem. I don't know if you saw it there in the quick moment that the game existed. If the tile already exists, it's not returning the tile correctly. It's overwriting the old tiles. You don't even care, huh? You just move right past this? That's crazy. You even go here, though? You have tile coordinates. Should be here. Yeah. Tile coordinates is x equals 1, y equals 0. That's fine. That's not real yet. 0, 1. 1, 0. Hello, that already exists, no? Tile coordinates is vector... Oh, it's vector 2. Vector 2i. Ah, you were getting cached it, huh? Okay, does this work now? Are you okay? 2, 3. Yep. How are you leveled like 1 billion though? That doesn't make any sense. Is the game crashing? No, the game is completely stable now. Excellent. However, the levels are going absolutely dummy crazy. And also like cascading in a weird way. But dude, this is the game. The void's coming for you. It's kind of cool. The game crashing? No, it's not. Looks neat. I'm excited for this. There's a couple things that are very bad. The spreading needs to happen before the level up. And also there's like these weird waves going on. It's kind of strange. The level up mechanic is definitely being weird. Focus for 3 minutes. Okay. 3 minutes. Hydrate. Okay. 1 hydrate for you. Thank you so much. I realized my OBS thing was the whole time. Whack. I was so focused it was literally off the screen. Look, they're at a number so high that you get a scroll wheel involved. The waves look like a neat pulse. That's kind of what I'm hoping that it would look like. All right. And it doesn't instantly crash this time. 3 minutes of focus. Dude, this like music just fits the theme so well. I'm cooking, dude. Timer 3 minutes. Watch. 3 minutes. I cannot talk to chat for 3 minutes. I'm so sorry, chat. I love you all. Bye. Okay. Let's change the leveling up thing because it was going kind of crazy. In the void tile here, we're going to say level up tile. Also, it's leveling up every tick, which is not the way it should be because the levels should cap at 10. So level up. If level is less than or equal to 9, you're allowed to level up. There you go. Otherwise, don't get the fuck out of here. Level 10's the max level. What the hell are you doing? You crazy? Level up tile. Why is this? Do I need to change the way that this is firing? Spread to strength. How is the new tile spawning with like the timer already at 0? Maybe this just fixes itself when we do the level up correctly. Okay, the way it should level up is if you're level 1, you have a 1 out of 2 chance of leveling up. So every update you have a 50-50 chance. Level 2 should be 33%. Level 3 should be 25%. Level 4 should be 20%. This is actually really easy to calculate. Cool. We just say 1 divided by level. We're gonna do this. We're going to say, where is this? Where's the level up? Roll to increase level. So if for level 1, it's a 50-50 chance. We're gonna say var roll equals rand f. If roll is less than or equal to, less than or equal to 1 divided by, so this should be 1.0. 1.0 divided by level. This, okay, then you level up. If, let's say roll is 0.7, this currently says 1.0 divided by 1. 1 over 1 is 1. This will always level up. That's not correct. Level plus 1. Okay, let's say it's 0.7 on the roll. This is going to be 1 divided by 2, which is 0.5. That's not less than or equal to, so it doesn't level up. It rolls a 0.2 next time, goes to level 3. It rolls a 0.2 again. Now it's 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3 is 0.33, so it levels up again. It rolls 0.4 the next time. Yep, this is how it works. Yep, this is correct. So 1, 2, 3. You're never losing the roll. What's happening here? Or you're just not losing the roll that often. You can see there's like pockets of this thing going up. This is clearly still a little bit too fast. It should be level plus 5, maybe? I really don't want him to level up that much. Right. Gonna be a minute before this thing levels up, huh? Oh, it happened. Oh, because you're always guaranteed to level up to the next level. Let's see, hydrate you. And now that these ones are leveling up, it always cascades over to the next thing. Maybe this should be a roll too. Not everything's just 10 automatically as soon as it levels up one time. That's not quite right. Well, how is it getting to level? Shouldn't it stay at level 2? Wait, what? Because it's if the other level is, it has to be strictly lower. Right? So if you're level 2, you're level 1, you can both be level 2, that's fine, but none of you can be level 3 until someone passes the check, right? If tile level is less than this level, so if the one I'm checking against is, yeah. Wait, so how are you leveling up then? Just rolling really well? 2, there's a 3, there's a 4, there's a 5, 6, and everyone's... It's because it spreads so fast. I understand what's happening now. Okay. If level is equals to 1, then we're going to say roll the 50-50. So we're going to roll if roll is less than or equal to... First level is just a 50-50. Elif, if level equals 1, if... What's wrong? Oh. So now we get to level 2 really fast. This is going to be plus 10. So it's really low chance anything gets to 3. You're at 1, it's 50-50 for you to get to 2. Once you're at 2, you start spreading. How are you already level 3? There's no way you rolled that already. It's impossible. Something weird's going on. 2. If I see a 3 without you coming into this function, you came into this function. Would you look at that? What does randef roll? That feels really fast. Maybe it's like 15? I want this to take a while. Once you're there, you can spread around to the game. That's fine. 2. We're just chilling at 2. That's the smallest number I've ever seen in my life. What is the docs on randef? Maybe this is not worky the way I think it is. We're gonna do like randef range. Randef range from 0 to 1. I mean, I assume that's what it did anyways, but it's just getting abhorrently unlucky. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. There's 1 and 0 by default. Look at randef. I mean, level 3 isn't the worst. Hey. 0.41, you say? But like, it getting to level 4 that fast is really bad. What is this equal now? It's a 1 in 21 chance. Every 3 seconds, every 1 second, a 1 in 21 chance for each of these individual tiles. Did you give paired mod? Nope. You're already level 4, huh? Fucking wild for that. There's just so many of them that like it just gets there way too quick. Maybe I do like 1 in 100. Maybe I just straight up say it's 1 in 100 to level up. So you get to 2 really fast, right? Yep, 2 is totally fine. 2 is totally fine. 2 is like the spreading phase. You rolled the 1 in 100 in like 5 seconds. Fine, 1 in 1,000. Stop being so weird about it, okay? Now we got a lot of level 3s out there. I want this to spread fast on the lower levels, and you should be able to play the game for a while before it gets to 4 and 5. And like the law of large numbers means that realistically, I think this I'm cool with. Because once one part hits 4, I mean, it spreads like crazy. Maybe the spreading should have a lower cooldown too. Because now it's already 5. Now it's 6 again. And the whole thing's just 6. Now there's a 7 over here. That's a cool effect, actually. That's really cool. I'm getting excited for this game, honestly. Everything just got 8 all at once. That doesn't seem right. Let's watch for 9s. Yeah, literally. Wait, what? Like, entire swaths of this thing are getting 9s. Oh, it probably depends on update order. Oh, that's why it's spreading so crazy fast. I understand what's happening. So, depending on the order of how these things are getting updated in the map, tiles are getting like leveled up several times in the same frame. How do I make it so that can't be the thing? For the surrounding tiles, I need to have something like this. Bar has updated on tick. Yeah. So we're gonna say on the signal. Ready, time update tile. Update tile, we're gonna say has updated on tick equals true. And at the end of the thing, we'll say false. Because these are async, right? How do I do it on timer restart? Rehydrates, you got it. How do I make it so that if you've updated once, you're not allowed to level up again until the start of the next timer? Maybe I do has leveled up? Yeah, has leveled up. Has leveled up. Roll to increase level. So if level up here, has leveled up equals true. Wait, we do it down here. We say if has leveled up, return. Has leveled up equals true. Once you get to the bottom of this function, you're done. Where we reset it is at the update, at the start of the update. So has leveled up equals false. Now we shouldn't have these giant like waves of updates. It should spread a lot slower now. There's the 3. We're gonna have to wait till the map's bigger. See this in effect. One more hydrate. Okay. Where's the 4? I need a 4. Where's the 4? I need just one 4. Who's it gonna be? Where's the 4 gonna happen? Get there. Come on. Nope, the entire map all updated at once. Okay, that's not good. That didn't fix our problem. It's the update order is so strange. Do I need to put this at the end of your update? So you get it at the end of your thing? It's just such a strange problem because it literally just has to do with the order in which the things are in the map. There is a way to check that I can like make sure I'm updating. You can't update a thing above you, so I can do it by ID. That's probably easier than whatever I'm trying to construct here. Yeah, I'll just do it that way. That's fine. That's fine. None of this. We don't need this. We're going to say Level up still works fine. Level up tile. If tile dot tile ID is less than, it should be that the lowest tile always has priority. So if tile dot tile ID is greater than, oops, if I'm greater than you, or sorry, if I'm less than tile dot tile ID and your level's lower than mine. So my tile, oops, I need tile ID. I need my tile ID. Tile ID. If my ID is less than yours, and my level, and your level is less than mine, then you're allowed to level up. I need a tile ID. We're gonna go ahead and say var tile ID. In here, we're gonna need a count now. So state variables. Var tile spawn tile count. Guys locked in? Good today, man. Create void tile. We're gonna say spawn tile count plus equals 1. We'll do this at the end. Boop. New tile coordinates. New tile dot tile ID equals spawn tile count. Now you only update if my thing is lower than yours. What happened? Nil and plus operator. Oh, you want a number, huh? That's what you want from me? I'll even let you know it's a number. So generative. 2. Sweet. There's also a weird thing where these are spawning at level 2, even though they're not technically spawning at level 2. They are spawning in, and then immediately the tile next to them is bumping their level by 1. So there's like a leading edge where they're all 2. That's not quite correct. Someone needs to pop a 3 in here. One person, come on. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Hey, Nano. Everything's a 3 now. Now everything's a 4, but it can't go backwards. So this like half fixes the problem, but things can't go back up the tree. You can actually see where the IDs are now. That's really funny. There's never to follow up. Thank you for the raid last week, TY. No worries, man. Thank you for streaming. I don't know why, but it's hurting my eyes. It's probably because the font is really small. It gets a little crunchy on the compression on Twitch's side. Damn it. How do I fix this problem? Okay, let's imagine a hypothetical situation. You are tile 7, and you're the first one to do it. Fix it in lore. You look around, and you see nothing but level 6 tiles around you. That's crazy. So you go to the tile next to you, and you say, hey, because I'm level 7, you get to be level 7. And this one goes, hooray, I'm level 7 now. That's great. The problem is this tile now goes to update on the same update that this tile is updating on and says, oh my god, I'm level 7. And you're level 6? Dude, you're level 7 now. So it's propagating more than one time per tick, which is bad. It needs to only propagate once per tick. So it should be the case that it spreads exactly one time to the 4 things around it. So it'll be like this. It'll look like this. It'll be 7 in the center, and then 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Update after looping all of them, maybe? Like delay the update? There should be a way to do it without needing to do it. You should be able to just order this in a way such that it happens correctly. Then it'll look like this. Need this. But I did it from a cave generation algorithm. Also, this should be a % chance, now that I think about it. Otherwise, it just immediately propagates across the entire map. That's bad. This should work. It should know per update if you've already leveled up. And if you have, if you've already leveled up, you're not allowed to spread your level. That's it. If another tile modifies your level, on your turn, you are not allowed to spread that new level. That's it. That's how you fix this. That's it. Advertise state of grid at start and then use that data to spread. It'll work if the unleveled tiles up only itself instead of leveling up neighbors. True, but that's kind of defeats the point of like them spreading to each other. No. Here's what you do. You say you say, what did I literally just say? This tile ID thing doesn't work. If your tile level is like this, we're going to say level up, get level from new tile. Get level, or be, so not level up, but be leveled up. Be leveled up. We have a new thing here. Function, be leveled up. No, we can still, okay. We can still, this still be level up. True. What's true, you ask? From neighbor. If from neighbor, if you get leveled up by your neighbor, we're going to set, you have a maximum spread level, which is the last level that you started as at the beginning of the update. So if you got leveled up from your neighbor, at the end of your update, you become that level, but otherwise, you are not yet that level. I mean, you are technically that level, but you're not allowed to spread that level. So, we need, okay, let me think about exactly how this works again. I go to you and I say, hey, you're level 7 now. You go, oh my god, that's great, I'm level 7. I'm going to mark this now as my received level. Okay, so we're gonna say var received level. Yep. I'm level 1. I level up to level 2. I pass now to my neighbor. I say, hey, neighbor, you leveled up. Neighbor goes, oh my god, that's fantastic news. My received level is level plus equals 1. I am now going to level myself up. Level plus 1. I guess we could do this actually after. So we say, if from neighbor, we say received level equals level. Here we go. Maybe like making a what? Or capital what? What? Huh? I don't know what you mean. Like less than 1 kilobyte of data. That could work too. It would work if the unlevel tiles. Yeah. I feel like I can do it just by ordering things differently. Is that okay. It is like this. It's before this happens. If from neighbor received level equals level plus 1. In other words, I received an update from my neighbor that this is my new level, but my new level is not actually this level yet. At the end of my thing, I'm going to say this. If received level is greater than or equal to level up. And this time, it's false. I think this fixes it. Actually, I don't like this. From neighbor equals. Okay, let me see. Let's see if this works. We have a 1. Nail an int operator. Receive level. This equals 0. It's only if there's a difference, and you have to do it. Otherwise, you receive level 0. You're totally fine to do whatever the hell you want. Hey, level up there, guy. There you go. I see a 3. I see a 4, and it spread correctly. Holy shit. Oh, leveling up so goddamn fast. Something's wrong. That's too fast. Receive level greater than equal to level. Level up and receive level goes back to 0, I guess. Why did it? Something weird is happening. The 1 goes to 2. Alright, I'm making so that you just start level 2. Congratulations, you're level 2. The number is a little bit wrong, but actually I'll just do this. On ready, level up. Congratulations. Just give you 1 for the funsies of it. Dude, this is gonna cause bugs. I'll say if rolls less than or equal to 1, you just automatically get it on your first update. Congrats. 1, 1, 1. How's it? Alright, level 4. Weirdly, the 8 is like spawning mid-map though. I mean, I imagine it's not because you're here, right? Yeah, you're getting a level 3 without that. There's something weird with the tile speedrunning? Dude, I know. There's something weird with the level up from neighbor thing. If tile level is less than this level, tile level up equals true. Received level equals this, but you don't actually level up yet. Oh, you do. This is not if, this is else if. That's why it wasn't working. Try again. Level 1, 2. Yeah, you guys are still getting to 3 somehow without playing by the rules, and I don't like that. But everything else seems to be working, so I'm gonna let it slide for a moment. I need a 4 to spawn now. Somewhere. I think we have the breakpoint on it. You're bypassing the level up one time, and I don't really understand how you're doing that. But it's okay. There we go. Now we have a 4 in the game. Where is it? Where's the 4? Can I see my game, please? Where's the 4? Let's find it. Let's do a little treasure hunt. Oh, no, it's nothing yet. 4. And it's spreading correctly. Yes. And now there's a new one. And then quite a few new. What, did you all just decide to like get lucky all of a sudden? What is this? There's a level 5 in there now. Look at it. Now it's spreading correctly. Here's all the 5s. And it's only spreading one tile at a time. Perfect. Perfect. It's working, dude. The tiles are coming for you. Oh my god, it's terrifying. There's a 7 now, and the 7 is slowly spreading. Yes. Now everything's level 5. Good. Good. The spreading mechanic should have the same roll, or it should have a slightly better roll than like what you would otherwise need to spread. As for why this is level 3 at the start, I don't really understand. Also, I'm going to change this now to work with the opacity of the tiles. 1 to 3 is a bit sus. I don't know why that's happening still. Let me think about why that's happening. You're starting the game at level 1. This roll I'm going to set back to 0.5. If received level is greater than equal level, it starts at 0, so that's fine. Level up. Otherwise, shouldn't level up. 1, 2. How the hell are you level 3, huh? You mind explaining that to me? How are you getting to level 3? If tile level is less than or equal to this level, tile level up equals true. This is probably where it's happening, I imagine. If tile level, yeah, let's check it. Because somehow you're getting to 3 and like that's just not okay. You get to level 2, that's fine. Here we are. This is the tile that we're comparing to. Currently level 1. What does your text say? Self. What level are you? You're level 2, huh? And this is the tile you're going to level up? Okay. Continue on your merry way. Does this give us a level 3 now? Nope, still 2 on 1. That's fine. You're level 2. What am I? I'm also level 2. For my money, you shouldn't move forward. And yet you did. Why? This is the tile you're going to level up? It's a 2. Here, please. Yeah, you're allowed to level up. Next. This one is looking at you. You're level 2. What am I? The self. I'm also level 2. Seems to me like you should just not do anything. What did you do? Did you do something? You're level 3 now. You lied to me. You lied to me. Shouldn't be here, and that's exactly what you did. You're the worst. I think what's oops, sorry, I have to cough. I think what's happening is it's receiving 2 level ups from the same thing. So if from neighbor and received, you should only be able to level up once. If received level does not equal 0, then it goes up. Else, get the fuck. If received level does not equal 0, or if it equals 0, otherwise leave. Now I think this shouldn't have a random level 3, and yet we still do have a random level 3. That's crazy to me. Also, it's spreading in a really weird fashion. Why is it doing that? How are you you getting to level 3? How are you doing that? With this? Save level equals level plus 1. Save level equals what? Your save level is 0. Oh, it should be after this. Yeah. Save level is 0. What's your received level? That's level 2. If received level is greater than or equal to level, received level equals 0. What level are you right now? You're level 2? What's your received level? 0? Sounds to me like you shouldn't be here. Owls are pretty damn lucky. It would be funny if they're just rolling correctly. Level 1, received level equals 0. You're allowed to go to level 2. That's fine. I'm fine with that. You're level 1, you want to go to level 2? Go for it. That's totally cool with that. You're level 1, you want to go to level 2? I'm fine with that. What are you? You're level 1, you want to go to level 2? Go for it. You're level 2, you want to go to level 3? I don't fucking think so, buddy. Hey, Riteski, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Why do you feel like you're entitled to do that, huh? There's no way this could have passed the check, so how did you get a level up? Because your level was 2, the tile next to you was also level 2. Tile level. So confused. It would actually both have to be 2. Because there's not a 3 on the map. Your level is tile level less than... Yeah. Strictly less than. What? I'm gonna go here before we start this. Received level is 2, your level is 1. Yeah, you're allowed to go to 2. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Your level is 2, your received level is 2. And how the fuck did you get there? Your level is 2, your received level is also 2. I know it's... You're leveling up. And then you're leveling up on your tick. Oh. Boop. We do that. Oh, that's all we do. Blanky, thank you for the bit. It works now. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. Void is coming for you. It's also not necessarily, like, depending on the update order, it's not spreading correctly, exactly, which is actually pretty cool. Depends on the update order. This is much better. It's still a little fast for my taste, but that's okay. These will be every 3 seconds. Or maybe that'll randomize the timer a little bit. Add some like wiggle to it. 4. Ooh. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. Look at the 4 spreading around. Why isn't the 4 spreading to the 2 though? That's weird. Same with the 5. This 2 seems to be just parked at level 2. It just refuses to change its ways. Do you need a level 3 next to you to go up? Doesn't make any sense. Shouldn't need that. 5s can convert 4s, but 4s can't convert 2s. 3s can convert 2s. What? Less than or equal to, bro. These aren't like strings or something, right? Received from neighbor. If receive level equals or receive level equals level plus 1. Maybe we just passed the received level. Yeah. How about we do that? Received level equals 0. Fuck off. And it's gonna say true, and we're gonna do level. We're gonna level you up. This is what my level is. Let me just actually do that. Level up level. You can say received level equals 0. Hey Leviathan, how's it going, buddy? How are you? How are you? If received level not equal 0. If receive level equals 0, then that, let's return. There we go. 1, 2. Everything's a 2 now. Congratulations. Okay. Love that for us. Love that it's a 2. I've always been a big fan of 2s. Need a 3. Will that if not work? Maybe. Let's see. Hey, Sky, I hope you're doing well. I am. I'm doing great. I was going to ask, what do you think is your opinion the best dialogue plugin for Godot? I'm not sure. I have never used a dialogue plugin in Godot. I bet there are some really good ones, though. I apologize. I don't have a good answer for you. I'm sorry. Best of luck on your dialoguing, though. Okay. What the fuck is going on here? This is a 3. This is a 2. You're clearly a 2. I mean, you clearly should be a 3 now, yeah? Why is it stuck? Why is it stuck? 4? Hey, look right there, guy. You're fucking blind. Why are these two being so adamantly a 2? Explain yourself. Why are you like this? I swear some of them just get like stuck. Doing if not equals 0 is then nested if equals 0. They're different variables. This is underscore because Godot hates me. If underscore receive level does not equal 0, if our current receive level equals 0, then received level equals the one we received in. These things are just this is on me for having like weirdly confusing things. Elif level is less than equal to 9 level plus equals 1. Same. I choose English, not program. For now. Why are some of you not upgrading? How would that even work? If you're level 2, is it because you... No, what? How are you doing that? You're a fucking wizard. What? Are the tiles not looking at you? They don't want to? You're too ugly for them to look at, or what? You're too gross? I'm gonna do the sprite thing now instead of this text, because the text is not... It doesn't look good. It kind of hurts my ass, too. You don't exist. Update the sprites. These sprites, we're gonna say sprite dot modulate, self-modulate equals self-modulate elf channel. Yep. Self-modulate, that's the one. Is there an alpha channel? Modulate A equals 0.5. Modulates A equals level divided by 10.0. Divided by 1.0. Nope. Wait. If you're level 10, then yeah, no, this is how. Okay, you should be very unnoticeably purple. And everything's disappeared. Neat. What? It's like doing a little dance. That's fun. I love that for it. Oh, level 2 is working correctly. But level 1 is not. Level 1 is super bright. Why? Oh, because they're not starting the game at this thing. On ready, you need to do this. On ready, where's on ready? This, and it's going to be 0.5 plus level divided by 20. Probably makes more sense. Same with this one. 0.5 divided by 20. Because otherwise it's literally so unnoticeably purple that like I couldn't even see that it was existing. There we go. Bro, my little army. Weird looking thing. I don't see it getting any more purple. Oh, sometimes it disappears out of existence. That's a cool feature. Is there a level 4 in there? I honest to God cannot tell you. Maybe if you like squint hard enough. There. Oh no, you can. Okay, there's a little bit. I don't think this is it. I thought I was being clever, playing with the opacity. I think I need to be a little bit more clever. Maybe I need to modulate to a darker purple. It is working. It probably doesn't work with the Twitch compression. You probably can't see shit, but Otherwise, I mean, you really squint your eyes, you can kind of see it. This part's cool though. This like Pareto front that we got going here. That's neat. That's cool. I'm gonna see it in OBS window. Can you even see the differences? Not really. Cool. Yeah, we need alpha's not the play. Alpha's not. Maybe levels like 1 through 3 are this. It's so close to the screen right now. I literally couldn't even see it in the OBS compression window, so it's probably not there at all. We're gonna do 0.7 plus if dude, we'll just go to a more dense purple. I need a more purpley purple. Modulate. Think you can see something? Just hands. If I turn you, I need to be more purple. Oh, that's perfect. We just rank this one down, yeah? This is what you start as, and then like, oh shit. Oh god, that's some boy, dude. Okay, that works. Can I even like make it? Oh hell yeah. So it goes from like here, goes down, 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 down. Then it's like we in the void, bro. And then I guess it goes to this, which is that's the worst one. You don't want to be there. The 1 through 5 will be scaling this down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then at level 6, it goes 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, God. Cool. That's the play. Sky, how's your day? It was okay. I had a pretty okay day. I have an interview tomorrow, which is like kind of cool, but kind of not cool. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So, where's the level? Where are you? Huh? Level up. Job interview? Yeah. Well, review with the recruiter for the job. Well, it's like a man work, dude. It's like a person that helps place people at the job. It's an interview with them, but then they place the job. What job? It's a senior data scientist role. I'm gonna show up to the interview and say, how much do you want to pay me? And they're gonna say some number that I don't agree with, and I'm gonna be like, okay, well, I don't want to waste your time, and you don't want to waste my time, so I'm gonna leave. But hopefully they say at least 10 million yen, and then I'll be like, okay, we can talk. Thank you for the bit of wangi. I think I would take anything above, like realistically talking to you guys, I think I'd take anything above 9 million yen a year. I could get a new apartment and stuff, because I make close to like 300 a month streaming, I think, which is like 300 times 12, this much a year times 150. I make this much extra, so if I made 9.5 million yen, I would like kind of make 10 million based on streaming, which like that's all. I just want to clear 10 million. Can I ask you coding questions? For data science, usually not. They just more ask you what projects you've worked on. I might need to interview with them and then like do a second round interview. The one tomorrow is not technical though, as far as I'm concerned, as far as I'm aware. It might be, in which case I'll be like, cool if I write in GD script. If level is less than or equal to 5. Update sprite. So we're gonna modulate towards dark purple. If else modulate towards black. So sprite dot modulate. I want modulate or self. I think I want modulate equals color. It's gonna be 255. Wait, it's from float? Wait, what? So it should be 1? Yeah. And then it'll be 1, so level minus 5 times 1. No. Divided by 1? This means that if you're at level 5, this equals 0. If you're at level 1, this is going to be 4 divided by 1, which is 4. That's not correct. It should be divided by 5. If you're at level 2, 4. If you're at level 1, you're just regular, because it would be 1 minus 6. Level 1 would be 1 minus, no, it should be 6 minus level. What am I doing? Minus level. That's 5 over 5, that's 1. At level 2, it would be 6 minus 2, which is 4 over 5. At level 3, it's going to be 6 minus 3, which is 3 over 5. At level 4, it's going to be 6 minus 4, which is 2 over 5. At level 5, it's going to be 6 minus 5, which is 1 over 5. Perfect. And then 1. So I think that will make things more purple as the game progresses. What's wrong? Else? Pass. Thursday programming interviews, they ask you the most random escalating questions they want to use in your job. As someone who did interviews for a long time, I care less about how you do in programming interviews and more about how you communicate the problem, how you break it down, and how you go about solving it. I don't even care if you write syntactically correct code. I could not care less. You're like, oh, that should have worked. I don't know why it didn't, but I'm not going to sit here and waste your time debugging it. I'm like, oh my God, I'm in my company right now. Everybody's level 2, I assume. Maybe I should put my text back on. Nope, there's definitely some level 3s in there. Okay. All right, good to know. Let's try again. I mean, the level 2 looks great. Don't get me wrong, level 2 looks fantastic. Level 3 looks the exact same, which is funny to me. Long stream today? I'll go for a little bit longer, yeah. We'll see. Then back on Wednesday. Level 2. Can I get a 3? Can I get a 3? Somewhere can I get a 3? Maybe. One time. None of you feel like going to level 3? That's crazy to me. Oh, there's level 3. It's the same color. Fuck. Thank you for the head pat. Why? Oh, I know why. I love floats. I love bloop bloop bloop. I love floats. Deep dip reference spotted. Fucking love. Having such a good time watching Deep Dip. Brandon's streaming it right now. I could be watching it right now. I'm not. Oh, it's the worst. There we go. This makes much more sense. Makes much more sense. Yeah. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of the text again. I think it's ugly and gross, and if you like it, honestly, what do you do with your life? There's a level 3, and it appears to not be spreading to anything at all ever. Why? Why are you doing that, huh? Weird. Try again. No stream tomorrow? Nope. Tomorrow's Tuesday. I'm off tomorrow. Stream on Wednesday and then on Sunday. So literally, we have this stream, Wednesday stream, Sunday stream. Finish the game. We'll see how it goes. This is so cool. I just need the next part of it to work. It is a little weird to me that the ones can't spread. Right, but we got some Voltex Wednesdays. Nah, I'm not. I'm gonna go full commit on Sun Voltex next week. So next week, Monday and Wednesday are gonna be Sun Voltex if I can get the reservations. Oop, level 3. Start spreading. Yeah. Here we go. We got some pockets of level 3 going on. I want to know why it's not spreading to certain 2s though. Like, why is this is literally surrounded by level 3 tiles. It should be the case that this tile is looking over at you and saying like, hey dude, get your shit together, you're level 2 now. But for some reason it's not. Is there like a pattern to the ones that aren't? But otherwise, I mean, look at this. This is really cool looking. You gotta fight against this shit, dude. It's gotta be something in the update order with the has seen level where it's like never getting its thing reset or something. That's probably what it is. If your receive level is greater than this level, reset it back to 0. If it's the same, we're never moving. This needs to be here. Set it back, dude. You're now free to receive levels again. I think this should work now. Let's see. It sort of fixed the smoothing problem. No, it didn't. That's okay. I actually think it looks cooler like this, so I don't really care. Yeah, let's see. Because it should always have this like leading edge of the level 1 tiles. Ooh, we're spreading. We're spreading. Oh, we're spreading properly this time. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Oh, there's the level 4 and it's growing. This is exactly the game I was imagining in my head, dude. This is perfect. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. That's so cool. You gotta fight against this, bro? Kidding me? This is terrifying. Okay, next. The next level modulate. We're gonna do this, but instead of this, it's gonna be this here. So this is just gonna be 0. When you are level 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. So we need 11 minus 6 is 5 divided by 5 is 1. Yep. At level 10, it's going to be 10 minus level divided by 5. That doesn't make any sense. At level 6, this should be 255. Ow. So it should be 7 minus level divided by 6. Nope, that doesn't work either. It should be 11 minus level divided by 6. Divided by 10. How the fuck do you do this? Need a soundtrack? Also, what's the game idea? I'll show you in just a sec. Also, maybe not. We have a lot of people that want to do soundtracks, and I still don't even know if I'm gonna like get this all done in time. So I'm not sure about soundtracks yet. Honestly, Rosati's asking me for like sprite stuff too, and I don't have an answer for him either. This might just be a funny looking block game, to be honest. At level 6. Okay, so var scalar. So 6 should go to 1. 7 should go to don't know. 8 should go to don't know. 9 should go to don't know. 10 should go to 0. I just realized this has more stages to it than this one does. I think that's probably okay. 6 should go to 1. 7 then should go to, what is this, 0.75? This should go to 0.5. This should go to 0.25. This should go to 0. Which means it's a number minus this thing divided by 4. So it should be the case that what, like, it's 6 minus, it's 10 minus level divided by 4? Right? Because if you're level 6, it's 10 minus 6, which is 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 over 4 is 0.75. Yep. That's the number. Series are hard. Try it. You're a little void experiment spread. Yeah, I'm going to try to work on this a little bit more during the week. So I'm going to put VCS on this and I can like work on it while I'm at the coffee shop and stuff tomorrow. If I have time. So I will do some offline mining. So hopefully get this a little bit more progressed than it currently is. Also, the void needs to spread a little bit slower. When the higher level ones need to spread slower. Right now it spreads at the exact same pace as the other one. It like catches up. Ooh, there's like little pockets of the next level forming. That's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. Ooh. You can like see the level 5 forming. It's actually a little bit hard to see, to be honest. I can't tell if there's like more than one level in here. Oh, it becomes very obvious at the later level, huh? This is the you're gonna fucking die level. This is the bad. This is the bad void. Oh, weirdly, it's easier to see on my OBS than it is to see on my actual screen. Yeah, this is... You have fucked up. You have let too much void. And then this is like the end game boss level, because this is literally just a black tile. This is pretty cool. This is actually... I kind of... This is... Yeah, this looks super sick, dude. I kind of just want to upload this and just be like one of those like visual ASMR channels. What's coming, dude? Oh, and this is the last level of it. I'm pretty sure that's just like black. So, GG. If it gets to this point, I'm pretty sure you're just dead. Don't think there's anything you can do. The void has taken over. Is the game like okay performing this bad? Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Cool. Just becomes a cascading wall of the void. Neat. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, there we go. And then it's going to cover the whole map, and then you lose the entire game. There you go. Okay, so a couple things that I want to do is this should only level up if it rolls. The roll will be a lot easier. This is going to be 1,000 times your level. So you get a lot of time before like the higher ones start to spawn in. And this will be simply 1 divided by level. So it will, the roll is still hard, but it's a lot easier. Make a little text show up when the entire screen is covered with the void is taking you. I like that as like the loss condition. I like that a lot. If roll is less than or equal to 1.0 divided by level, divided by your level, because you're spreading your level. And then we go. It should now take substantially longer to get the roll to go. Now it's 1,000 times your level, so it'll be 1 in 1,000, and then 1 in 2,000, blah, blah, blah. I think you should be able to spread at level 1, now that I think about it. And I won't need this. So I just say if roll is this. So the first one is 1 in 1,000, the next one is 1 in 2,000, the next one is 1 in 3,000. And this, I think if you're level 1, you're just allowed to spread. Don't worry about it. Welcome to the party. Try it. So the level 1 should just spread all the way through the map. And it just kind of does its own thing. We also need to randomize the timers so that it doesn't just spread out statically like this. So randomizing the timers can have an unforeseen consequence of like weird update chains, where like you hypothetically could align everything in such a way that all of the timers are aligned and the entire screen will update in 1 tick, despite our best efforts to make that not the case. So something will roll the 1 without, hey, something rolled it. And now it spreads, but it spreads much slower. The level 2 spreads much slower. But like, just law of large numbers, right? So like, at the moment, the screen is expanding incredibly quickly. Maybe it rolls to spread even the level 1 tiles. But like the higher levels spread much slower. You can actually see in the visualization that the higher levels are spreading slower. Because now there's a level 3 tile and it's barely spreading at all because it has to roll really well. But once you get like 4 or 5 of the level 3 tiles, it like starts to really schmicks on you, right? This is cool. I have a corrupted plants randomly and they see the void to illustrate the corruption. I definitely like that as a better indicator of exactly what's going on, but I don't really know how, like, quickly. I don't know how to do it fast because I need to be able to. I need to finish like slicing the game before I can add more stuff. Oh, I think that's level 4. I think that's level 4. Not sure, but even the level 4 spreads like hella slow now. That's a level 5. It's already got a level 5. Ooh, ugh. Unlucky, honestly, just unlucky. This is cool. Okay, this is much slower. This is much nicer. This is exactly what I want. Yeah. One of the borders for the level ups is really hard to see, and I don't know which border it is. But I can see it on my OBS. I can't see it in my main game. Kind of funny. Okay. Okay. Also, I'm getting some like weird screen tearing due to the update order, where you can definitely see it's coming in from left to right, which is kind of bad. Take another random, and if that one triggers as well, it adds a little icon on top of the other area pixels. I want to do something that Minecraft, like some of the Minecraft does, where it does like random ticks that can apply different properties. But I think for now, I'm just gonna slice the game, and then maybe I can think about adding like more frills and stuff. I definitely need to randomize the timers because you can definitely tell the game updates top left to bottom right. You can see like there's a wave going. That's not cool. Right. But there you go. Now the dense void is here. Kind of looks like a seaborne heat map a little bit too. It's kind of cool. This also helps because the more tiles that you surround by a certain tile, the higher the chance that something will win the roll. So like, you really got to fight against this quickly because otherwise you've already lost the entire fucking game, dude. What are you doing? You gotta win. Why are you losing? Bad. Losing is bad. Don't lose. You silly goose. What are you doing that for? Okay, so modifications I just want to said. Update the timer. So on ready, we're going to multiply your timer by a random number. So say update timer. What is the property for this? It's wait time. Update timer dot wait time times equals rand f. Rand f range from 0.7 to 1.3. So you get some random wobbling on the timers now. So this should make it so that things update not all at the same. Nope, they're still all going at the exact same time. Okay, that's cool. Don't worry about it. Why? This is not messing with the wait time? It's wait time, right? Okay. Go to here. Go to remotes, main, map. What is layer 0? Oh, it's the layer for the thing. Wait time, 0.897 seconds. What happens on the next frame? Does your thing go back to 1? 0.897 seconds, huh? Weird. Yours is 0.71? Why don't you make an array with 4 positions with another random, and depending on which array gets hit, it will spawn pixels in the top right left or bottom right left? I'm thinking for different levels, we just vary the starting position, because I just have an array for the starting positions. So like maybe level 2, there's one for the top left and the bottom right or something. Because I need to place the minerals and stuff on the map still. The game isn't actually like playable. If the wait time is changing, does it only change for one loop or something? Let me go here. Your update timer is 0.793. Why isn't that on auto start? Weird. I mean, it's clearly we're getting to the callback, right? Oh no, they are random. Why does the front edge look not random? As you can see in the void, the other tiles are random. I've also realized this makes it spread much faster. Due to that weird like call chain. Since they're not all updating on the same frame anymore. I think that's okay. I think level 2, I think this is fine. Once the timer goes up to 3 minutes, maybe it gets better. The one that's weird though is that the front is all spawning at the same time. I don't like that. I don't think that that's like fun gameplay experience. This just looks like a wall coming at you, and I want it to feel more like this. Is it because the front timers are always set to 1 still? Like the front top, maybe the first update is always 1? Maybe if I set this to not be auto start, I set the random range and then I say update timer dot start. And I do with the, maybe that works. Yeah, hey, that worked. It's still a little jumpy, but like, if this was on a 3-second timer, I don't think you'd really notice. But now it looks more like organic. That's good. I like that better. I like that a lot better. Cool. All right, we crank this up to 3, and then we start doing the actual gameplay part of the game. Yeah, I think so. Think so. What? Hey. Hey, Flunky, thank you so much for the bits, buddy. Gotta work on my essay. Have a nice stream. I will. Thank you for being here, by the way. I really appreciate it. Can't wait to be streaming some Voltex again. My numbers are just gonna hit the fucking floor. This is sweet. Oh, it looks so nice in the middle. Very cool. I like this a lot. If I set the timer to be 3 seconds, the variation on the timers is gonna be way bigger too. All right, let's set it to 3 seconds. You are now 3 seconds. Some of you will update faster than others. Start here. Starts to grow. Void is coming, my friends. Will you fight against it? Will you survive? Will you survive? This looks a lot better with the 3-second timer. I'm half of mine to make it 5 seconds and vary this thing even more. I think that's better. The problem with doing this is you're gonna have some very active tiles. Oh, unless we reset the time. Oh, hold up. Wait. Var export var property props export our base wait time. It's 5, 3. Base wait time. This is going to equal base wait time times this thing. We're gonna start it. On the timeout, we're gonna update tile. Update tile is gonna reset. Update tile. We're gonna set this to not be. How do you? Hey, oh, set it to be one shot. Yeah. Update the wait time. Start again. There we go. That's how you do it. Now every time it updates, it will be randomized. That way we don't have like super hot tiles or anything. Moment. Watch the funny void game while I fix my pop filter. Now this is working a lot better. Cat ear? It's so true. I didn't want to be the one to say it. I'm glad someone else did. You're so right for that. How controversial of you. Okay. I want to see what happens to level 2 now. So next thing is we're going to put a little turret down, and the turret's going to be able to shoot the void. The void has different HP based on its level, and when you defeat the HP of the void level, it goes down a level. So you'll come up to a point where like you have to shoot faster than the thing is growing. Oops. Shoot faster than it's growing. We got level 2 now. Is it going to spread? Oh, it's spread. Ooh. Is it gonna spread? Look at it go. Oh, another level 2 just popped up. This is sweet. It's exactly what I wanted. This is exactly the vibe. It's so good, dude. Okay. Oh, sweet. Yeah, turrets is next. So the turrets will shoot a projectile. The projectile will hit the void tile, which means the void tile need colliders, which is hopefully that won't be too computationally expensive. Shouldn't be. It won't be. Look at it go, dude. Look at it. Okay. So the way turrets will work is you should be able to just plop them down. They're shooting. And ideally, you will need like more than one to defeat. Per layer, you'll need like approximately 1 turret. So if it's level 2, you should need like 2 turrets to stave it off. But it shoots the tiles and eliminates. The thing is, they're growing really fast still, so the turrets will have to shoot pretty quick. But we can adjust all that. And also, there's going to be like a research building where you can upgrade your turrets, firing defense, or firing speed and stuff. It's cool. It's cool. I like this a lot. Cool. I feel like this is a pretty good spot for me to stop though. I have to go kind of early today. I have some errands I need to run before the world explodes. I forgot to pay my water bill, which they don't like when you do that. They'll cut off your water at some point, which is crazy. I can't believe they would do that to me. It's so rude. So I'm gonna go. Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate it. I'll be back on Wednesday, making more games and stuff. Being longer today. Also, never mind. I'm gonna go. Correct. Churro on. Then you already know where we're going. Let's raid. Churra. The Chomp gets the raid for usual. Go Churro. Hell yeah. Thanks for the bits of Wangy. Appreciate you. Got it before the alert did. Alright. I have to go pay my water bill and do laundry. What a fun day I have ahead of me. Bye bye.